BC, the Kurdish people liberated themselves from a tyrant, and every year on the same date in March they've been celebrating Newroz, their national day, when they freed themselves from their oppressor centuries ago. Hotline was invited recently to their Newroz celebration, where we also took the time to ask them about their impression of the media's portrayal of the Australian Kurdish community.
The meaning of Newroz, the new day, Kurdish National Day. Newroz is beginning of spring and symbol of freedom. On the 21st, 612 BC, that the Kurds liberate themselves from a tyrant called Duhat. Each year, Kurds hope to have a better Newroz next year, to be free again. We hope that Kurds and Newroz will be a better one for all oppressive people of the world.
Thanks to everyone at the Newroz celebration.